Well, hello, everybody. My name is Jane. I'm a molecular biologist and been working in the life science industry for the past 15 plus years. Spent most of the time doing work related to cancer research. Well, cancer is a big problem. So 1 in every 5 of us will die from some form of cancer eventually. That's pretty grim. But I'm here to tell you that we believe that we can make it better with precision medicine. And I'm here to tell you what our team is doing to help advance precision medicine. So precision medicine is a simple concept. It's about recognizing that we're all different and are best treated with drugs and therapies that are tailored for our bodies. But this requires understanding of a whole host of information, biomedical information of our bodies. Now, thanks to technology advancements in the last 10 to 15 years, biomedical data is growing very quickly. But the challenge is that most scientists or clinician scientists simply don't have the expertise to mine insights from complex data sets. And this is where SolverGen comes in. We have a machine learning platform built specifically for biomedical scientists to find better drug targets and therapies that doesn't require any coding or much experience in machine learning at all. So regardless of the user's aptitude for technology, scientists from anywhere will be able to leverage the power of machine learning for their research. Our point and click system can deliver results in as little as just a few minutes. Now, since we've launched in 2019, we are already 2 iterations in for our software and piloting with users from 4 different organizations. And we're already helping to discover insights that may potentially help to improve treatments for patients with breast cancer. And we're excited to launch our next version very, very soon. We're a group of domain experts here at SolverGen. We have expertise that cover both medical science and tech. Our CTO has a PhD in computer science from University of Waterloo and has been specializing in AI and machine learning for the last decade. Now, it is clear that we're faced with a giant wave of biomedical data that can help scientists develop better treatments, but they're having a hard time mining it. And SolverGen is providing a tool to help with that. Thank you. We hope that you will support us and help our cause.
And time. Thank you so much, Jane, for that. That was a great presentation. We'll go ahead and open it up.
Yeah, Tim here from the Sociable. Precision medicine, I see it. I mean, this is amazing stuff. They can do wonders. And if I'm getting this right, so for your business, it's you work with the institutions. It's not like a direct. Do you work directly like with a patient, like with the end user, the patient?
We're working with the scientists and the clinician scientists
Right.
that are helping to develop.
And so, with all the data collection, I'm just wondering if with the other institutions, if they have any concerns about, I don't know, just data privacy or anything like that that you've had to address.
Oh, that's a great question. I think when it comes to health, medical health, data privacy and security is always, on the top of the list of what everybody thinks about. So we have. So our platform will have an option, or actually will have an option to run everything in a HIPAA and PIPEDA compliant mode. But so far, most of our users actually choose to anonymize the data prior to, uploading or using any kind of software as a precaution. So we've actually experienced very, few use cases where they want to run information that can identify actual patients. So, but we recognize that this is absolutely something that we have to address, and we have a mode that allows them to run things in an environment that is secure.
Very interesting. Thanks.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody else?
Yeah, I had a question. It's just that you said this is for research, right? So is it only for research, or is it also for, like, say, suppose there's a live patient and someone wants to find out something? Will this help in that as well?
Yes. So far, our platform is made for research and is being used for research only. But we see that this platform can grow as our scientists further along in their translational research path, when they eventually would want to take whatever, model, algorithm or model or signature that's developed on platform and use in a clinical space. So I think our platform will be able to grow with them and eventually have a role in the clinical space.
Thanks.
I also wanted to mention if anybody would like to provide kind of just any feedback or any areas where they thought maybe Jane could elaborate more as well. We're happy to take on those types of things too. If you don't have a question, if you have a comment, please feel free as well. I'm not sure, Chris or Christine.
Yeah, I was just going to ask a question about competition, because I was trying to rack my brain, but I have heard of, just in general, sort of AI-driven companies kind of trying to take data sets, helping refine that hypothesis or research on the front end to make that more efficient. So how do you see the competitive landscape out there, and how would you kind of differentiate yourself?
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Chris. So the no-code auto ML category is very fast evolving and growing, but we have found a gap in the need specifically in biomedical space. So we are building our platform to tailor towards use cases that specifically happen in, for example, biomedical researchers that are building genetic signatures to identify which patients will benefit from drug A versus drug B. We get into pretty specific use cases that only that is only well understood if you have a lot of expertise and background in the space. And we're building, we're not building a generic auto no-code ML platform. We're building it specifically for those use cases, and we have a full understanding of those use cases. So we believe that we can build a platform that provides the most value for our users.
I mean, to follow on from that, sorry, did you have another question? Sorry.
Go ahead, Kit.
No, I was actually wondering about the business model, in the sense of how you, what people are signing up for, what the researchers, what the institutions are signing up for, what kind of model are you offering? Is it kind of a yearly thing? Is it through a single kind of evolution? I mean, what's your model? Yeah.
Yeah, we have a SaaS model, so it's a subscription based. Our subscription costs about between $5,000 to $7,000 a year from user based on how much they use, which is basically our goal here really is to democratize this really effective tool to help scientists. So we're pricing it at a level where it is affordable to our scientists, and try to save them time. So again, it's a subscription-based model, yearly payment that is at a price point that is affordable to majority of the scientists. So we really wanted the machine learning tool to become like this, quintessential, everybody should be able to have it as part of their, packages of tools to use, so that more scientists can use it to find more insights, to really increase, to widen the pipeline of all the insights and new therapies and move them through the clinic, so that more of them will become, will basically filter through to actually help the patients.